Hello everybody, welcome back to Leetcode Simplified. I'm Alan, and today we'll be tackling Leetcode to 63, ugly number. Determine if n is an ugly number, a positive integer whose only prime factors are 2, 3, and 5. Mathematically, that means. Let's look at some examples of ugly numbers where the prime factors are only 2s, 3s, and 5s. Ugly number 4 has prime factor 2 and 2. Ugly number 6 has prime factor 2 and 3. Ugly number 15 has prime factor 3 and 5. Ugly number 30 has prime factor 2, 3, and 5. Ugly number 60 has prime factor 2 and 2 and 3 and 5. By definition, 1 is also an ugly number because 1 has no prime factors. Now, look at some other numbers that are not ugly because they have prime factors which are not 2, 3, or 5. 14 is not ugly because it has prime factor 7. 33 is not ugly because it has factor 11. Again, the rule is clear. Ugly number n has only factors 2, 3, and 5. So if we divide n repeatedly by 2, 3, or 5, it means we remove all those factors. In the end, we should get 1 if it's ugly. If it's not 1, then it's not ugly. Let's put Python to work. If n is not positive, it's not ugly. Now we check prime factors 2, 3, and 5 because an ugly number cannot have any other prime factors. As long as divisible, keep dividing n by 2, then 3, then 5, and update n. Note that we use integer division to keep n as an int, not a float. After remove all factors up to 3 and 5, if any, n should be 1 if it is an ugly number. And that's it, clean and simple, perfectly matching the math we discussed earlier. Alright, let's smash the submit button. Boom, accepted. The time complexity is big O of log n because in the worst case we keep dividing n by 2, 3, or 5 until it becomes 1. Each division reduces n, so the number of steps grow roughly with the logarithm of n. Space complexity is constant big O of 1 because we use only variables n and p, so the memory usage stays constant regardless of the input size. That's it for today. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out the playlist for more Leetcode problems explained simply and clearly. I'm Alan, and this was Leetcode